What you're going to do is when you log into Seller Central, you're going to go to brands here, go to brand analytics, and then at the top of your brand analytics page, if this is available in your category, because this is still new, so it might not be yet, you should see this view search analytics. So you're going to click on that, and that's going to take you over to this. Okay, so basically what this data that they're giving you is a search query performance. Now, if you're not sure of what any of these things mean, they have the metric glossary up here to where they can really explain exactly what each column means. Okay, so you're not confused. The other good thing about this is if you want to like narrow down the data that you're looking at and get a cleaner look at things, you can customize the columns here. And we can also look at this on a weekly or monthly or quarterly basis. So if we want to look at like the performance monthly, okay, so we go for like 2022, say we want to look at June, hit apply. Okay, so now we can look at the performance of the keywords